Welcome to another Glamour tutorial video. In this video I'll be showing you how to enter the Glam dark mode feature. Now you can either access this Glam dark mode through this point on your dashboard, or you can click this three dash icon. You click on Glam gains for you to drop down these options. Now these options are various jobs that you can do on Glamour to earn. Now we'll be going with the Glam dark mode right here. Now I have clicked on it right now, and as you can see, this is what we are going to earn from the Glam dark mode. Now you click on it, see the option you're earning 0.5. What you have to do right now is to click on start tax now. Now it will take you to Instagram, so I'll click on go to Instagram so that it will open up in my own Instagram. Now it has opened in my own Instagram, as you can see, and I'll go back. I'll click on complete tax. As you can see, it has been completed. So that's exactly how to do it. Alright, so that's exactly how you can go about the Glam dark mode. As you can see, I just engaged, and let's go to our history. You can see right here, Glam works. You can see right here, my balance just increased. Let me check. Alright, you can see it just increased to 15,000, as you can see right here, and this is 66,700. So that's exactly how you can enter the Glamworks feature on Glamour. See you guys in my next video, where I'll be explaining every other thing you need to know about Glamour. Also, if you want to keep updated with my new videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel, drop a like on this video if you got value from this video, and I'll see you guys in my next videos.